What you're going to be hearing is Hurricane Hanna and the Team Debris. No, they are not a natural disaster. They are a band. They are all, except one person here, high school students taught by Mr. Tim O'Donnell right here on guitar. And they are from the musical offering, a small not-for-profit school in Evanston. I'm going to introduce the band to you now. Hanna, is it Whiting? Whiting. Hanna Whiting on vocals. Let's give it up for him. Come on, guys. Julian Freeman on sax.
Oh, yeah.
Nathan Feveroy on guitar. Henry Wolf on bass. And keeping it real on the drums, Andrew O'Brien. I am sure that you will see these guys headlining Lollapalooza, Pitchfork, and Bonnaroo in the soon future. But right now, put your hands together and please welcome Hurricane Hanna and the Team Debris.
Hey guys, camera's on now. That's all you got?
Guys, he's too loud. He has come down. Come down a bit. He's way too loud.
Who is?
Nathan.
Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? That's that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? That's that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 6 is 8. Come on, baby, don't you make me late, hiding hey. Baby, don't you wanna go? That's that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? That's that same old place, sweet home, Chicago. Chicago.
There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. See my baby now. Oh, 99 won't have taste. I said, wait a minute, something's wrong here. I said, this key just don't unlock this door. This key just don't unlock this door. Well, I got a real bad feeling. Whoa, that my baby, she don't love me no more. Play some blues. You miss your girl, Julian? You miss that baby? Come on. Hey. Where's Nora at? Come on, sing the Nora. Come on. Let's hear it. Yeah. Julian Freeman there. Oh! Yeah. One note. You can play the blues with one note. You know that? yonder. Way back over the hill. I guess I'll go way back over yonder. Way back over the hill. 'Cause if my baby don't love me no more, well, I know her best friend will.
Nice. Bend the mic down. So play into it. Too much.
It's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up above in your eyes. A fantabulous night to make romance neath the cover of October sky. And all the leaves on the trees are gave you all my love, but you let me out. Got me up all night. I scream and I shout. Tell me why. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you lonely, but you got to make me change my mind. Maybe I got your number, and I know that you got mine. But you know that I called you many times. Oh, you know you can call me, anytime. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you lonely, but you got to make me change my mind. I don't want no one to squeeze me, they might take away my life. I don't want no one to squeeze me, they might take away my life. Oh, I just need someone to hold me and rock me through the night. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn right back around. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you lonely, but you got to make me change my mind. Baby, just give me one reason. Give me just one reason why. Baby, just give me one reason. Give me one reason why I should stay. 'Cause I told you that I loved you, and there ain't no more to say. 'Cause I told you that I loved you, and there ain't no more to say. 'Cause I told you that I loved you, and there ain't no more to say.
You know, we do have a dance floor right here. What do we gotta play to get you guys to dance? Now, if Stevie Wonder can't get you guys to dance, what can get you dance?
Very superstitious, writing down the wall. your face hands. Rid me of the problem. Do all that you can. Keep me in a daydream. Going strong. You don't wanna save me. Superstition is the way. Very superstition, nothing more to say. Very superstitious, devil's on his way. 13-month-old
Yeah.
All right, thanks again. It's for us. So Hurricane Hanna and Team Debris for Musical Offerings, Music School up in Evanston. My name's Tim O'Donnell. Thanks for having us out and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks.